Welcome to Week 8, students. This week is going to be fully devoted to the Writers Exchange. So this week's content, activities, and assignments are all going to be related to helping you give and receive feedback on your secondary source integration. A couple of due dates. Your secondary source integration submissions are due to the Writers Exchange by Monday, June 24th at 3 p.m. Your secondary source integration reviews, remember, you need to do 3 of them. Those are due by Wednesday, June 26th at 3 p.m. And your secondary source integration reflection will be due Friday, June 28th at 3 p.m. You will not be able to do a reflection unless you get those 3 reviews in. And WEX due dates are not flexible because I have no control over them, so do your best to get everything in on time. We are almost through this assignment sequence. The next big project is going to be the ARP, the Analytical Research Project, where you bring all of this together, and then we will do your symposiums at the end of the semester. So you're doing great. Keep writing. You only need to post on the discussion forum once this week because you're going to be very busy with the Writers Exchange. And as always, let me know what questions come up.